Before you start, please check your local government authority to determine if building approval is required. Here are some important notes before installing your shed. Clear and level your site prior to assembling your shed. There are different types and coloured screws, so ensure you use the correct screw for each location. Always keep the door closed during high wind events. Do not traverse the roof of the Handi Mate. Always use gloves when handling sheets and flashings, and never install a shed in windy conditions. Safety and protection always comes first, so make sure you always wear your gloves, your safety glasses, and your steel cap boots. Tools are a handyman's best friend, and to build a shed you're going to need the right tools. So get yourself a rivet gun, a power drill, a Phillips head driver, a hex head driver, an adjustable spanner, a 3.5 and a 12mm drill bit, and a 10mm masonry bit, a step ladder, 2 trestles, a permanent marker, and a tape measure.